Okay. There you go. Line the sights.
Ow, what hit me in the face?
It's alright, that's why you got goggles.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, real fast.
Hmm?
Keep your finger off the trigger unless you're pulling it, okay?
Yeah.
Arm straight.
Yeah.
There you go. Doing pretty good.
Is there any way I can stabilize it?
Your arms. That's why the stance is, alright? Hold on. That went down my sleeve. That was pretty cool. Alright, arm forward. You're keeping that locked in place.
Yeah.
Remember, aim the back sights and line them up with the front sight.
Yeah.
You're keeping the front sight in between this.
Yeah.
There you go. Straighten this arm a little bit. There you go. Talking about stabilizing, alright?
Hit me right in the forehead.